Where's that rope toy gone? Sergeant, give it me. Good boy. No, leave it. Sergeant. Good boy. What's this? Ready? Face. Can't see because of the sun. You were chasing after it before, weren't you? Oh, she's got her new socks on. You've got your new socks on, haven't you? Shame the pink. I know, she's a happy young lady, aren't you? You've got all gungy stuff in your eyes. You've got all sleep in your eyes. There's Lady. Zeus just wants food. What am I going to do with you? Hey? Maybe we just need to find a double home for you. So you live with me when I'm here, and then when I'm at school you go and live with somebody else. You can go and visit hospitals and things. This is Lisa. My boy Sergeant. Big fat Zara. Going on a diet soon. We can switch into raw diet soon. Switching back to raw diet. Izina, Lynn, you have one? These are all for the puppies though. Okay, maybe we're going to let you have one more. See if it's a little one. I'll have to bring you one back. Right, let. You want Laurie and all them treats, don't you? Say, come on Laurie, where are all them treats?